Hi everybody, I've got a quick tip for you today. Do you have problems with a cutting board slipping around on the counter a little bit when you're trying to use it? Especially if you're using a really sharp knife and you've got a big heavy object that you're trying to cut, like a big butternut squash or a pumpkin or something like that. I've got a tip for you to help to stabilize that cutting board so it won't slip around on you so much. Now hopefully you can see this cutting board because it's a white one on a white surface, but it kind of slides around a little bit, and this principle will apply to any size cutting board. I know this is a small one, but any size will do. All you need to do is take a wet cloth. It does not need to be sopping wet. You can wet it and then wring it out and then just put your cutting board on top of that, and all of a sudden you're going to see that, yeah, you can move it around some, but it's going to grip a lot better to that wet cloth and also to the countertop. So it's not going to be as likely to slip around so much. Now I know this is a crochet cloth and you're going to think, well, I don't have any of those. This is just a regular dishcloth, a thin one. The same thing applies. It just grips it, okay? So if you have a problem with a cutting board slipping, put a wet cloth underneath of it, wring it out, don't make it dripping wet, and that will help to grip that cutting board so you don't accidentally cut yourself because the board slips. Big important point there. Well, I hope this helps. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.